Students,
Good
good
morning,
morning,
sir.
sir. How was your day?
Fine.
Okay, very good. But today, the topic for the discussion is there any necessity to have a social networking account for a student who is pursuing his education? As you know, a lot of students are having social networking accounts like Facebook and some other sites. Today, all of you have to discuss about is there necessity. I mean, you say you should bring forward the pros and cons of having a social networking account for an engineering guy especially. Okay, let's start the discussion.
Today students share the information in a different way. And the social network sites not only is for just for communication in a sharp way, but we can also use it to share our opinions, and also we can also learn a lot of new things and innovative ideas. And we can easily expose it to the foreigners. And in this way the communication is very easy, according to my opinion.
I would like to oppose my friend. In my opinion, students are spending more time in Facebook, and by that they are wasting a lot of time which they can invest in studies.
I also agree with my friend Fatima because I don't think social networking sites are very useful for students, because how many students and teenagers and youngsters are using this Facebook in a creativity way, and they are losing their relationships, and they are keeping their relationships with other members who are not with them, because they are not giving any time with their parents or anyone.
I like to oppose my friend. We can we can use Facebook for searching jobs. Even if you are going for foreign abroad, we can also have many opportunities for that. In that, we can find our seniors, already settled people. For some job references, likewise, we can use Facebook. Not only Facebook, any social networking site, it is very useful for that.
I would also like to support my friend Anisha and oppose Ms. Sherry and Fatima. In my opinion, in every concept there will be positives and negatives. And if we take the positives of the Facebook, we have much to learn, and we can get the information from our friends, and we can get the main vast knowledge from all over the world. And my friend Sudarshan said, only the sharings, not only sharings, we can get the much more information. We can also keep in contact with our old friends, many persons like many VVIP persons who will guide our life. So,
Last question. Or do you want to say something about this topic?
Actually, I want to oppose Venkat sir, because he said that nowadays networking, I mean to say that social networking is a very useful tool, but as well they are useful, but there are also so many negative things. Nowadays you can see that they are using duplicate accounts with the same, the persons are using the duplicate accounts, fake accounts, and they are saying that they are posting some of the pictures of other persons, other women persons, and now recently we have seen that one of the girl had died because of that fake misusing of the social network. And so I was opposing Venkat, not only opposing sir, but saying that some persons are using by using them in a by misusing them. So many people are facing the troubles over that.
I agree with my friend sir. Social network sites entered now only into our life, but earlierly without social network also we can survive our life by searching jobs and by education and by communicating with others. So social network is not only necessary, but it having so many negative cons, so it's not necessary.
Yeah, I'll just conclude the discussion by going through various points what you have put forward in this discussion. I came to know that there are some advantages and there are some disadvantages of having these social networking accounts. But as one of your students told, there are pros and cons for each and every technology. If you use the technology for your better cause, that will be useful to you. And if you misuse it, whatever it is, the technology will be cause harmful to the mankind. So what we need to do is we have to make use of the technology for the benefit of the mankind. So it will be useful for all of us. Like a lot of the points what you have stated, that students can use it for knowing about recruitment drives and send greetings to your friends on your birthdays and other special events. Okay, so Facebook account is needed, but we have to use it in a proper way. Okay, thank you so much for all of you taking part in this fine discussion on the social networking sites. Thank you.